Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today we are going to see how to make your own homemade intensive moisturizing cream for extremely dry skin. Let's first see what's the purpose of using a moisturizer. The protective oils in the outermost layer of the skin helps to hold back the water in the skin. When these oils are lost, the skin tends to lose this water and becomes dry. Moisturizers act as a barrier and prevent this loss of water from the skin. A well-moisturized skin appears beautiful, soft and radiant. The skin can lose moisture when exposed to extreme hot or cold weather conditions. Dry air in the air-conditioned rooms can also lead to dry skin. Harsh soaps and frequent hot water baths can also scrape off the oils from your skin. Today I will show you how some common ingredients from your kitchen can be used to make a very effective natural skin moisturizer. The first ingredient that you'll need is 2 tablespoons of milk cream or malai. If you don't know what milk cream is or how to make it at home, I have posted a video on how to make milk cream at home. I will include the link in the top right corner and also in the description below. Kindly check it. Milk cream is very good for skin. It makes your skin look younger, works as a skin lightener, moisturizes extremely dry skin and has many more benefits. So don't skip this ingredient. The next ingredient we'll need is butter. Yes, you heard it right. Take 2 tablespoons of homemade butter. If you don't know how to make homemade butter, you can check out the link in the description below and also in the top right corner of this video. Butter makes your skin soft, improves skin complexion and gives you a glowing skin. Now add 1 vitamin E capsule to this mixture. Vitamin E can treat dry and flaky skin. It not only improves skin structure but will also make your skin firm and elastic. Next, add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel has cooling properties and is anti-inflammatory. It helps to moisturize the skin and fight skin aging. It also lightens blemishes on your skin. Next, add 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Almond oil is great for removing tan and also treats skin rashes. Also reduces the signs of aging. Next, add 1.5 tablespoons of flaxseed gel to it. This step is optional because flaxseed gel might be allergic to some people, so always do a patch test before you use this. To do a patch test, apply this gel behind your ear or the side of your neck. After 24 hours, if you notice redness, itching or swelling, kindly avoid using this flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel helps to tighten and brighten the skin. To make this gel, take 1.5 tablespoons of flaxseed in a pan and add 1 cup of water to it. Let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Stir it occasionally. Once it turns into a gel-like consistency, turn off the stove and let it cool down. Now with the help of cheesecloth, squeeze out the gel. And that's it, the gel is ready. You can even add 1 or 2 drops of lavender essential oil to this mixture. This is also optional. Now transfer this mixture to a mixer jar and grind it. Or you can even use a blender to mix it. Transfer this to an airtight container and freeze for 30 minutes to 1 hour in -15 degrees Celsius or freeze it until it thickens to a cream-like consistency. And that's it, your thick natural face and body moisturizer is ready to use. This thick moisturizer can be used for extremely dry to normal skin. Do not use this moisturizer if you have oily skin because it might cause pimples and acne. Use this moisturizer after taking bath. This moisturizer keeps your skin hydrated for at least 6 hours. Alternatively, it can also be used at bedtime to clear your face from all the dullness and dryness caused due to pollution. You can store this for 2 months in the fridge. As it is a natural moisturizer and as we have not used any preservatives, always use a spoon or dry hands to use the moisturizer or else it might get spoiled soon. To use, first cleanse your face with your favorite cleanser and then use a face toner. Once it dries, apply this moisturizer on your face. You can use this as a night or day cream. So that's it for today's video. If you have any queries, let me know it in the comments below. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, then share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.